Northman. He's a real low drive puppy. He would really be a good porch puppy for somebody. Puppy! Or a couch potato. He is friendly. He's just really low drive. Wave. He'd be great for a beginner border collie person. He allows you to think. Down. He is laying down now. But he does it real slow. Even waves real slow. Good. Wave. Come on, I know you're going to get it up there. Wave. Leg click. Alright, down. Sit. That's there so they can get away from the puppies if they want to. Wave. You like animal crackers?
Yeah.
What? Come. Sit. Stand. Down. Puppy. Sit. Down. Good boy. Wave. Puppy. Good. Down. Good boy, good boy. Stand. Puppy. Sit. Oh, I need a doily one. With me on this side. Puppy. Trying to get the light right. Come. Well, I put a really bright bulb in that one and it's casting a shadow. I want to get his white side of the neck rather than his dark side. Wave. Wave. Ouch. Stand. Stand. Sit.
Each other over backwards.
And
That's what I'm laughing at.
stand. Sit. Or down. Sit. Stand. Puppy. Touch. Sit. Nothing in there? Yeah, there's something in there. Here, get that piece on the floor. Down. Sit. Yep. Not bad. Puppy. Touch.